Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something that is requested, and also another person just recently asked me about it, so I said, you know what, let me do a video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my electric lighters. Now, you've seen this lighter. I will put the link below. When I did a video on how to use a candle snuffer set, which was these pretty rose gold, this set here. If you want to know how to use that set and you've seen that set before and you didn't know what it was for and what it's supposed to do, I will link my video below on how to use that. I love it, and you will see why. So the link will be below on how to use this set. Well, when I did the video on how to use the candle snuffer set, I also lit my candle that I use this set for with one of these, and I've been getting questions about these and what they are. These are electric chargeable lighters. See that? They literally charge, just like you charge a cell phone or something like that. They charge. Now, I did a previous video. I cannot find one of those lighters, but you know the lighters you get from Dollar Tree? My channel is designed to help you save your coins, learn how to do things yourself, and save money in every way, shape, or form possible. So I shared this, this is just butane fuel, and I had this for some years, and this is what I would refill the tips of those lighters with, and I'll put that video below too. So I'll put that video below if you have Dollar Tree lighters and you've been throwing them away. I'm gonna show you why you shouldn't. So I'll link both of those videos below this video, and you'll see how I use this and how that saves you coins versus keep buying dollar lighters over and over again. And you can get this big old can of butane for like $5-6 at Walmart, and it lasts you some years. So that's a way to save, but I'm still trying to find ways to be even more green, and so I decided to go with the chargeable lighter. Now, see, you put the charger in just like that, and when it's able to charge, I'm not close to a plug. I'll show it to you though. Hold on one second. This is what it looks like when it's charging. So it actually charges the lighter, and then you're able to use it again. No fuel or anything like that. So let me show you how it looks, how it works. All right, so when you cut it on, it's gonna light up like that. So when you cut it on, it is going to light up like that, and it has an on and off. This button here, it ignites the electric flame like that. And I light everything with it. My intention candles in the morning, I light with that. So you just touch the top of the actual wick, like so. And voila, you have a lit candle. And the reason I like it is because of this. It arches, you can bend it and move it when you have candles like this that you can't get to. You just put that bad boy down there and light it. This candle's almost gone. You light it, and voila, you have your candle lit, and you can get every bit of it from there. And then you have candles where, you guys seen this, I shared this in my last grocery haul from Aldi's. Listen, these candles are amazing, okay? They burn so slow. For $3.99, they put Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, Bath and Body Works and Walmart to shame, because I love the Walmart candles. I love Walmart candles. They smell so good and it's so worth it. So that's me lighting it. And I also purchased a new candle. We found this when we went to the grocery store. Me and my guy love candles, so I said, oh babe, let's see this one. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a new one. It smells so freaking amazing. From all these $3.99. Look at these beautiful glass containers that you can reuse for cotton balls, Q-tips, or even for the holidays, put candies or cookies in it and wrap it and give it to someone as a gift, and they can use it again. So I love the ones with tops, and that's the difference. By the ones with Walmart, they don't have tops, and these do. So these are reusable, and because it's glass, you could put food or anything in it because it's not porous and it can't damage or harm or be toxic to your food. Okay, then I also light my incense. You don't want to put it too close, but close enough where it'll get a spark. And I light my incense. So these electric lighters can be used for anything that you light in your home that you need a lighter for. they can be used. And I love them. They came in a 3-pack. This is not a sponsored video. I don't leave links because it's not sponsored and I'm not getting paid to share this with you. I just share it with you because I know it can save you money and you're interested in it and it's something great. So that's why I'm sharing. And so yeah, these are, it's one from my kitchen, one that was in my office, and one in my bedroom, and then the girls have one in their room. So they're all over the house. We have these all over the house. I first bought a 2-pack, then I came back and I bought a 3-pack because I wanted them everywhere so I didn't have to look for lighters when I'm lighting my candles and incense and stuff around the house. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you look in the description box for how to use this set and how to use this to refill your Dollar Tree lighters. If that was helpful for you, make sure you thumbs up. If you are new to my family, make sure to my channel, join my family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. What I'm trying to do is set my videos up and show them as premiere, so it gives you time to kind of set a alarm or, you know, remind yourself so that way you don't miss it. And please, please, please share this video and everything that you enjoy on my channel. Share it with other people. This is positive stuff. People love to share negative, but it's so hard to share positivity. Let's share some positivity. I will see you guys in the next video.